Here is a 2022 M240i. My name's Denver. I'm a client advisor at Perf BMW, and currently the sun is right in my eyes, so sorry if I'm squinting, but today I wanted to showcase this Brooklyn gray with a Tacora red interior. My customer actually just purchased this vehicle. We marked it as sold this morning, so I thought I'd bring the vehicle down and give a nice little video tour of this vehicle, show you guys what all the specs are before it goes out on delivery. So Brooklyn gray exterior, oh, phenomenal. Everybody seems to love this color. I also have another customer who placed a factory order for Brooklyn gray with the red interior, with the high gloss black exterior content. So this is a HEA Spec 2 package for the vehicle. What that means is it's going to come with a lot of features that are part of that enhanced package and a few individual options. And then the HEA 2 compared to the HEA 1 also has the high gloss black wheels and the high gloss black exterior content. Optional adaptive LED headlights or full adaptive LED headlights with the gold daytime running light. BMW's mixed it up from the traditional twin halos to just a single LED halo headlight. Doesn't even have the full circle halo anymore. It's more of like, I don't know, Nike checkmark or something. With the high gloss black kidney grills, these are active air vents, so 10 different variations. It can open depending on how much cooling it needs. And then also black bumper content as well in between each side radiator. And then the center black as well. And a small rubber front lip at the front. Does still have the white on it from the factory, but it's not stopping you guys from seeing the massive power dome that's on the hood of the brand new M240. And one of my favorite features about this car is the fact that it's now standard with remote engine start. So 1, 2, 3, triple click, and the vehicle remote engine start for you. Lights flash, and there it is. I love how the remote engine start also preconditions the vehicle. So the air is redirected onto the front windshield only. The mirror caps are starting, or the mirrors on the side are starting to heat up. The rear view glass is heating up. The heated steering wheel and the heated seats are applied. Absolutely awesome feature, and I use it almost every single day in these winter conditions. 1, 2, 3, and it will shut off. Now this one is also paired with the optional red M Sport brakes. So for another $500, you're getting red M Sport brakes. These are the 791 M Sport wheels in jet black. 225/40/19s on the front. Summer performance tires. Customer did order the winter tire package, so we're going to install that before he takes delivery. Then we also got 255/35/19s in the rear, so extra wide at the back. And I love how even with the Brooklyn gray, you have the high gloss black side skirt. Gives it that racing look. And then on the side, the back, the black rear diffuser along with the back lower bumper content. And then you have BMW's exhaust tailpipes for the M240. Maybe I'll give it a cold start right here. I love how it's quiet and comfortable. Once you put it into sport mode, it'll open up the valve at the other side and it gets a little bit louder. The new LED taillights at the back have been redesigned as well. Standard proximity sensors front and rear, backup camera, and then also has the lip spoiler at the back, classic BMW shark fin antenna. And then new for the M240i, you're also getting these mirror caps. M mirror caps with the little winglet on the side. Part of the high gloss black exterior content also changes the mirror caps to black instead of the cerium gray. High gloss black window surround would be on the M240 no matter which variation you get. Let's take a look at the trunk space. Yeah, as far as a coupe goes, it's all the trunk space you really need. I love how the carpet mats also have the BMW tricolor stitching on them as well. And you can start to peek that Tacora red interior. If you do need to lower the back seats, there's a lever there and a lever there. Moving on to the inside, this vehicle does have the upgraded Tacora red Vernasca leather. One thing I like about the 2 Series is the unique door pattern that it has. Also, ambient lighting goes right into that black pouch right there. All of your seat settings, your central door lock. This one also has the upgraded Harman Kardon sound system. And I love it, the back window, the Harman Kardon through the glass looks extra cool. Although it is a little dirty, this car does need to go in for its detail before delivery day. M Sport being standard, you have the thick M Sport steering wheel, the aluminum pedals and the aluminum dead pedals. Automatic lights, live copper professional as part of that HEA Spec 2 package, and so is the head-up display unit as well. With the sports transmission, you get the launch control after 2,000 kilometers, which is pretty awesome. And then you also have the door sills, lumbar support, and side bolstering support. When you want to get into the back seat, there's a lever for your hand right here. Then the seat automatically moves forward. Last generation, there was another button on the seat to make it go forward. Now it does it automatically. Part of that HEA package is also the storage compartment package on the back of the nets. Tacora red on the inside. You also have the 20 load through and cup holders that come down there as well. I like how on the door panels, you have that dimpling there, and then it carries over to the back as well. If you're in the back seat, you also get your own climate control and 2 USB-C ports if you need to charge any devices. Before I go too far into the interior, one thing I want to mention, comfort door access is now upgraded, so it's proximity sensor. So as I walk away from the vehicle here, it's going to automatically lock, just like that. And then as you walk towards it, it automatically unlocks. On top of that, you still have your traditional comfort door access where you press here and it'll lock the vehicle. And as soon as you put your hand on the inside, it unlocks the car as well. New door handles are new on the M240. They're now this flush design, bringing it back to the E36, E3 series days. Getting onto the inside, heated seats, heated steering wheel are standard features. Cruise control on the left, infotainment system on the right, as well as the microphone. But you can always just say hello BMW and your assistant will pop up. Now it is going to prompt you to start up your driver profile, so make sure you set that up before you go into your other iDrive settings. And then this is what your iDrive 7 looks like. You can configure the tabs at the top here. You can go in, we got standard navigation in the vehicle, or you can go in through these settings and, you know, change like the ambient lighting. Go do all cool stuff. Driving information like the sport gauges. It's one of my favorite functions. And this is what the Live Coupe Professional looks like. Give it a start up. And that's the comfort mode, eco mode, or the sport mode. There we go, we got Sport, Sport Plus, and Sport Individual. I like Sport Individual because you can configure it. So like, maybe you want the dampening on your suspension to be in comfort, but you still want the steering and the sport and the transmission to be sport. So you can set that. What I like to do is I like to put Sport Individual as everything comfort mode, and then I just got the red sport gauges and my engine won't try to set off when I come to a stoplight. But even if you don't like that, you can always just click this button while you're in comfort mode and the engine start stop will go off. Front and rear proximity sensors are standard, and your traction control button. Part of that HEA package, you're also getting the wireless charging tray. On a lot of their models right now, like X5s, X3s, 3 Series, wireless charging is not even available. But on the M240, you still got that. USB port, 12-volt converter, and then this can come down just like that and cover it all up. And then you have your climate control section. Quick button into like menu AC, or another quick button into all your safety systems. If you want to configure your safety systems like pre-collision, lane departure warning with steering intervention, so it will actually pull on that steering wheel, bring you back. Blind spot monitoring, you can go through all of those settings. I love how the map is in the center of the Live Coupe Professional here, and if you turn your navigation, you'll see that there. Then you also see it in your head-up. You can start to see the head-up display, so we can get the camera to focus in right there as well. Beautiful, beautiful feature. For the HEA spec package, you're also getting the universal remote control, so your garage door openers you can program in. And then your sunshade on your sunroof is now fully powered, no longer a manual sunshade, and the sunscreen or the sunroof is, I think, 2 to 4 inches larger. I have to double check the spec sheets, but it's bigger. You get more space, more light coming through. Auto dimming mirrors on the inside and the outside. And that Harman Kardon again. And this Tacora red interior is absolutely phenomenal. You can start to see the light in there. It's hard because it's actually daytime. I think I have it set on white light right now. And then also upgraded is the aluminum Tetragon trim on the inside. Goes right there. And then down here as well. Automatic brake hold is my favorite function. You leave that on, you put it in drive, you can let your foot off the brake and the car doesn't go anywhere. As soon as you put it in the park, you're good to go. And as soon as you shut off the vehicle, parking brake automatically engages for you. So yeah, that's the interior of the M240i. Brooklyn gray, Tacora red, black M Sport brakes, black exterior content. What a beauty. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you appreciate this M240i content. If you guys want to see different BMW content, let me know in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you made it all the way to the end, make sure you guys smash that like button, subscribe to the channel. Don't forget, I do giveaways every single month, so that's another reason to subscribe to me. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you next time.